Problem number 8, page number 25. So find 64 whole to the power of 1 by 6, 32 whole to the power of 1 by 5. We need to find their values. 625 whole to the power of 1 by 4. Fourth one, 16 to the power of 3 by 2. So fifth one, 243 whole to the power of 2 by 5. So last number, 46,656 whole to the power of minus 1 by 6. We need to find the values of all these numbers. ఒకసారి చూస్తే ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి అమ్మా. 1 by 6, this is nothing but 6th root of 64. Already we know that nth root of a, this can be written as a to the power of e. nth root ఆర్డర్ని ఎక్స్పోనెంట్లో రాస్తే we will write 1 by n కదా. సో అదే ఫామ్లోనే ఉంది ఇక్కడ చూడండి. 64 whole to the power of 1 by 6. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 6th root of 64 అనమాట. ఇది కూడా అంతే. 5th root of 32, 4th root of 625, రైట్. సో ఇప్పుడు వీటిని సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద నెంబర్ బేస్ 64. దిస్ 64 క్యాన్ బి రిటన్ as 2 to the power of 6 whole to the power of 1 by 6. I have already told you, right? Power values up to 10 దాకా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. up to 2 to the power of 10, up to 3 to the power of 6, up to 4 to the power of 4. ఇలాగా పవర్ వాల్యూస్ డెఫినెట్గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Now apply exponents formula here. a to the power of m whole to the power of n, a to the power of m into n. It means 2 to the power of 6 into 1 by 6. 6 and 1 by 6 both gets cancelled. We will get answer 2. That is the value of this number anmata. Okay, coming to this one, 32. It can be written as 2 to the power of 5. 32 is the value of 2 to the power of 5. Again, this is in the form of a power m whole to the power of n. a power m whole to the power of n. It can be written as a to the power of m into n. ఓకే, సో ఆ ఫార్ములాని మళ్ళీ అప్లై చేద్దాం. అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి. సో 2 to the power of 5 into 1 by 5. 5, 1 by 5 gets cancelled. We will get 2 to the power of 1, which is nothing but 2. Observe this. 625 whole to the power of 1 by 4. So 625, it can be written as 5 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. 5 to the power of 4, 5 5s 25, 25 5s 125, 125 5s 625. So now again this is in the form of a power m whole to the power of n. That can be written as 5 to the power of 4 into 1 by 4. So 4 1 by 4 both gets cancelled. We'll get answer 5. Understood children? Now observe this. Be careful here. Numerator exponent is 3 by 2. In previous cases, exponent was only 1 by 6, 1 by 5 and 1 by 4. Here 1 by 6, 1 by 5, 1 by 4. But in this case, exponent is 3 by 2. So we should not touch this numerator 3. Okay, see, observe this 16. 16 can be written as 4 square whole to the power of 3 by 2. A denominator cancel అయ్యేటట్టు రాసుకోవాలి. Okay, again this is in the form of a power m whole to the power of n. So 4 to the power of 2 into 3 by 2. We could cancel into 2 and divided by 2. We will get 4 cube, which is the value of 64. Understood amma? ఈ ప్రాబ్లంకి వెళ్దాం. చూడండి, 243 whole to the power of 2 by 5. This 243 can be written as 3 power 5 whole to the power of 2 by 5. Again this is in the form of a power m into a power n. So 3 to the power of 5 into 2 by 5. 5 gets cancelled. We will get 3 square, which is the value of 9. Okay, now coming to this is somewhat large number amma. Observe the units place 6 kada. So based on units digits we can identify, we can imagine its base anamata. So definitely it might be the power of it might be the exponent value of 6, base 6. So 46,656 can be written as 6 to the power of 6 whole to the power of minus 1 by 6. So 6 to the power of 6 into minus 1 by 6. These two gets cancelled. We'll get 6 to the power of minus 1. There is a negative in exponent. Then we will write its reciprocal to make exponent as positive. Understood, children? So these are answers of problem number 8. Now look at problem number 9. Page number 25, problem number 9. Very, very important problem. See, 9th problem, page number 25. Okay. 4th root of 81 minus 8 into cubed root of 343 plus 15 into 5th root of 32 plus square root of 225. This is problem. We need to simplify that. We need to find its value anamata. Okay, just observe the root values. This is 4th root, cubed root, 5th root, square root. But definitely there will be chance to cancel this 4th root too. ఎలా అంటే చూడండి. సో 4th root of this 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 3 is 81. Similarly, minus 8 into cubed root of this 343 can be written as 7 cube plus 15 into 5th root of 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 plus square root of 25 can be written as 5 square, 15 square. Now power 4, 4th root both gets cancelled. We will get 3 minus 8 into cube and cubed root gets cancelled. We will get only 7 plus 15 into here also power 5, 5th root both gets cancelled. We will get 2 plus square root gets cancelled. We will get 15. Next 3 minus 8 7 is 56 plus 15 to 30 plus 15. First let us add positive numbers amma. 30 plus 15 45, 45 plus 3 48, 48 minus 56 whose result is minus 8. అంతే కదమ్మా. సో minus 56 plus 48. 16 minus 8 8 అమ్మా. 4 minus 4 0. For in front of greater number there is minus. So minus 8 is the result. Children, be careful. Very simple logic here. There must be chance of cancelling this root sign. ఇక్కడ 4th రూట్ ఉంది కదమ్మా, ఇన్సైడ్ రూట్ లోపల ఉన్న నెంబర్ని డెఫినెట్గా పవర్ ఫోర్స్లో రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇలాంటి నెంబర్స్నే ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ అంటాం. ఓకే, సో క్యూబ్ రూట్ ఉంది కదమ్మా, ఈ రూట్ లోపల రాడికల్ సైన్ లోపల ఉండే నెంబర్ని పవర్ 3 క్యూబ్ టర్మ్స్లో డెఫినెట్గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇలా ఈ ప్రాబ్లం సింప్లిఫై చేసాం. కమింగ్ టు ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 10. In 10th there are 2 problems amma. I'll solve any one problem for you. You have to solve the second one, right? So look at textbook. Look into textbook. If A and B are rational numbers, if A and B are rational numbers, find the value of A and B in each of the following equations. Now for you I will solve a second problem amma. So root 5 plus root 3 whole divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to A minus B root 15. when we try to rationalize the denominator, we can get this form అనమాట. అంటే దీంట్లో డినామినేటర్ని రేషనలైజేషన్ చేస్తే ఇది ఆ ఫామ్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సో ఎలా అనేది ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ తీసుకుందామమ్మా. ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ ఈజ్ వాట్? LHS is, otherwise first let us write rationalizing factor of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Okay, now multiply both numerator and denominator with its rationalizing factor. Take original fraction, root 5 plus root 3 whole divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 into its rationalizing factor is plus and matter. Just we need to change this sign. Then we get 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 whole divided by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. First multiply numerators, both numerator and both numerators. First of all let us multiply with root 5 amma. Root 5 తో multiplication చేద్దాం. So first root 5 into 2 root 5. 2 root 5 into root 5. I have written reverse order. Root 5 into 2 root 5, which is nothing but 2 root 5 into root 5. Again root 5 into 3 root 3. So root 5 into 3 root 3. First we have multiplied with root 5. We have multiplied both with the root 5. Next term is root 3 kada. ఈ root 3 తో ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. root 3 into 2 root 5. So 2 root 5 into root 3 plus root 3 into 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 into root 3. And what about denominator? న్యూమరేటర్ చూడండి, ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ రూట్ 5తో ఈ 2 టర్మ్స్ని మల్టిప్లై చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ రూట్ 3తో ఈ 2 టర్మ్స్ని మల్టిప్లై చేసాం. అండర్స్టూడ్? నౌ అబ్జర్వ్ ద డినామినేటర్స్. 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Assume 2 root 5 as A, 3 root 3 as B. Now denominators are in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So what is its formula? We have seen in earlier problems. Denominator ni rationalization చేసే ప్రాసెస్లో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం, ఈ ఫార్ములా చూసామన్నమాట. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇట్స్ ఫార్ములా అంటే ఏ స్క్వయర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వయర్, అది ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ ఏ మైనస్ బి, ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్, దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 ఇంటూ మా root 5 into root 5 whole square, square root gets cancelled, so we'll get answer 5. 3 as it is, root 5 into root 3, root 15, 5 3 is 15 amma, plus ikkada kuda ante 2 as it is, root 5 into root 3, root 15, plus here 3 into root 3 into root 3, 3 amma, root 3 whole square root gets cancelled. Now denominator, 2 square value is 4 into root 5 whole square value is 5, 4 5s. 3 square value is 9 into root 3 whole square value is 3. Understood children? The square belongs to both the bases anamata. 2 square value 4, root 5 whole square value just 5. Square root cancel అయిపోతుంది. అలాగే ఇక్కడ కూడా 3 square value is 9, root 3 whole square value is 3. Now observe the numerator. See, 2 5 is 10 plus 3 3 is 9 plus 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15. We will get 5 root 15 whole divided by denominator. 4 5 is 20 minus 9 3 is 27. So 10 plus 9, 19 plus 5 root 15 whole divided by minus 7. So let us separate this denominator for both the numbers. Then what we get? 19 by minus 7 plus divided by minus 5 by 7 root 15. Okay, 5 by 7 root 15. When we compare this with RHS, so this is equals to A minus B root 15. Now tell me, what is value of A? A value is 19 by minus 7. What is value of B? B value is just 5 by 7 amma. Because both minus negative signs are tallied, root 15 both terms are tallied. Now in the place of B there is 5 by 7. So these are A and B values. Understood, children? Here also we solved this problem based on rationalization of denominator. Denominator ni rationalize cheyadam dwara ee problem ni solve chesamu. I hope every one of you understood this. Okay, children? Let's move to first problem. First problem kuda nene solve chestanu meekosam. See, first problem, what it is? Root 3 plus root 2 whole divided by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to A plus B root 6 R. Again same. So change LHS in the form of RHS. LHS lo denominator undi kadamma root 3 minus root 2, irrational number, which is irrational number. So let us rationalize the denominator. What is the rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2? Rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. Just we need to change this sign. Now multiply both numerator and denominator with this rationalizing factor. Take that irrational number. So root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 into multiply both numerator and denominator with this. Root 3 plus root 2 whole divided by root 3 plus root 2. Just we have taken LHS amar. LHS maatrame teeskoni solve chestunnam. Now observe the numerators, product of numerators. Root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2, which is root 3 plus root 2 whole square. And the denominator, observe the denominators. A minus B into A plus B, which is A square minus B square. Okay? So expand the numerator in the form of A plus B whole square, where A is root 3 plus B is root 2. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Denominator, square root gets cancelled, 3 minus square root gets cancelled, 2. Next, here also square root gets cancelled, 3 plus square root gets cancelled, 2 plus 2 into root 3 into root 2, root 6 whole divided by 3 minus 2 value is 1. So numerator 3 plus 2 value 5 plus 2 root 6. We can neglect the denominator because denominator is 1. Now compare this with RHS. What is RHS here? A plus B root 6. Now compare these two irrational numbers. In the place of A we have 5 and in the place of B we have 2. These are A and B values. Okay children, by rationalizing the denominator we can find A and B values, right? I have given few problems as homework in 6th Roman, even in 5th Roman also. Konni problems నేను solve చేయలేదు, just one problem or two problems